overseas Pakistani. Many people think this is not a problem for us. This is a Pakistan problem. This is a problem. This is a worldwide problem, because the things that are going on in Pakistan don't affect only Pakistan. It affects everybody globally. Do you know why? Because we're Muslim. It's one ummah. The things that are happening to our brothers and sisters in Pakistan, we need to stand up for them. Our sisters, their hijabs are being ripped off, their dupattas are being ripped off. We need to elevate our voices for them. We need to make sure we stand up for them. I've been hearing a lot of people also say we shouldn't be celebrating 14th August this year. We should be celebrating it more than ever this year. We should be showing people we're a sovereign state. We should be showing people what does Pakistan mean? Yes, we need to show people we are proud Pakistanis. We need to show people that we stand behind Imran Khan. Imran Khan? Zindabad. Imran Khan? Zindabad. Thank you.